So today we're going to be mixing two colors of the hair paint wax as you guys requested. That's a quick little leg check, you guys. So today we're going to be mixing red and purple. If you haven't seen my previous video, then you're definitely like not caught up. You definitely have to go see that video. Anyways, I mixed the two colors in equal portions, and this is basically the color I came up with. I believe it's kind of like a pinkish color. I asked on my Instagram for you guys to tell me what color you think this is. A lot of people said it looks like plum. Some people said it's red purple. Some people said it looks maroon. I don't know. What color do you guys think this is? Definitely let me know down in the comment section, and I will see like what color you guys think it is, because I'm confused as well. Anyways, I'm going to be doing a wash and go with this. So what I do is, my hair was already moisturized. I showed you guys the products in the beginning. After that, I go ahead and put the hair paint wax on my hair, and then right now what I have in my hair is the gel. So I do the moisturize my hair, then I put the hair paint wax, and then I go ahead and add some gel over that just to seal everything in. And this color was really pretty, you guys. Like, I really liked it. If you'd want a more like detailed wash and go video, I will definitely link some of them below. I believe I have like 2 detailed wash and go videos since I like big chopped, so definitely check those out. So this video is really not like to show you guys how to do a wash and go. It's really just to show you like the results of the color. And yeah, this is basically what the color looked like when I was done, and I really loved it, you guys. And okay, I recently realized that my hair can get into a puff, you guys, and I didn't even think it would get into a puff in a wash and go, because the puff I've been doing was kind of like on stretched hair. But I decided to try it out, you guys, and it worked. Like, you guys, my hair is growing really fast. I'm kind of sad and happy at the same time, but you know, it is what it is. So now I'm taking this piece of elastic. You really do not want to know where I got that from, and I'm just going to use it to put my hair in a puff. I'm pretty sure everyone can put their hair in a puff now, but if you guys want a more detailed puff tutorial, let me know. I'm here for you guys. That's what you guys don't understand. Like, I'm literally gonna do like, not whatever, but like, if you guys have a request, definitely let me know, and it will become a video in no time. Okay, honey? So now I'm just going to finesse my edges. I know you guys asked for a video on how I do my edges. I feel like it's pretty straightforward. That's why I've not like made a full video. But if you really want to see a video, then let me know down below. If I get enough requests, I'll make a video, but then I don't want to do a video and then a lot of people don't watch it. Anyways, after using Wetline on my edges, I'm just going to like reinforce it with the Style Factor Edge Control. That thing is magic, you guys. Like, it keeps my edges laid. I did not retouch my edges, you guys. I slept with it, and then I came back and showed you guys the after clip, and it was from doing it the night before, and it's only because of that Style Factor. I mean, Wetline's amazing too, but it's mostly because of the edge control. So I picked my hair a little bit before I went to sleep, just so it would have volume in the morning. And yeah, this is pretty much like the finished look, you guys. Like, my hair just dried. I let it dry, and then the next day I done my makeup and whatnot. As you can see, my hair is already kind of fluffy, and I'm basically just going to like fluff it out some more just to give it some volume. And yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. As you can see, now that my hair is dry, the color is the itch, man. As you can see, now that my hair is dry, the color looks a bit different. So yeah, I really love this color, you guys. I actually prefer it to the purple. You guys let me know which color you prefer so far, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.